Come on, bud. He's crawling the stairs. Watch him. Say, come on, Bennett. Hey. Watch out. Let him cough. Let him cough. Job,
He could probably do a lot better if his pajamas fit him.
No, too big. Come on.
What's wrong, Canyon? This is Bennett's first time crawling up the stairs.
Good job, buddy. Keep going.
I think we all get the point. Bennett can crawl up the stairs now. Yay! Yay, Bennett! Yay, Bennett! Yeah! Bye-bye.